Okay, let's see. What we got from Nike this time? Okay. Big tape, boom, big tape. Let's see, y'all. Let's see. Boom. Let's see what we got. See, it looks like a nice looking box. Let's see what's in the box. Move to Zero is Nike's journey towards zero carbon, zero waste to help protect the future of sport. Really? Boom, bam. These are the pre-day Air Max Chlorophylls, made with at least 20% recycled content. Booyah. Let's get it. Nice shoe. Air bubble on the back. Old school. Boom. Still got the waffle, updated waffle. Nike sign, kind of fancy. Let's see. What does this say? Oh, this is just some, man. What does this say? Move to zero, whatever that means. Boom, bam. Nice shoe. It's a little expensive. It was $140, but you know, it is what it is. Ciao.